Okay, hello guys, we are back with another video. I got this Dragonite V-Star Elite Trainer box from Pokemon Go at GameStop for $57 damn dollars. I know, it's so much money, but well, to some people to you that are very rich, not really, but for us, I didn't spend a lot. I only spent $7 because I have a $50 GameStop card. So yeah, okay. Instead of that talking, let's just open or unbox this Dragonite V-Star Elite Trainer box. I already opened the wrapping, so I can just slide this off. It's like a little box. Nighttime, daytime. Okay. I'm gonna get the scissors real quick. So the reason why I need to get the scissors, oh no, that's not it. Because of here. Here it is. There's this part over here that I need to cut open, but I don't want to cut myself, so I'll cut carefully. Or actually, no, I don't need scissors. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, there's the Pokeball. Oh, there's the Pokeball. Okay. Oh, God. Okay. I have never opened an Elite Trainer box before. The first time.
Daddy!
Oh, whoa. Okay.
Daddy, this is a whole bunch of stuff.
Wow! Okay. So, let's first open up this ball, this Pokeball. Okay. We got other packs. Let's see. So 3. Okay, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, wow, 9 packs. I wonder what's in here. Daddy, come look. Oh my God. Ah, I can't open it. How do you guys open these things? Okay, there you go. So ends up there's nothing inside the Pokeballs. I guess it's just like a container, I'm pretty sure. Let's put it back. Oh. Here is TCG Live thing. Here's the code. And then here's the other side. And here's the code. Okay, that should be it, right? That's all? Yeah, that's all. Okay. Ooh, here's the Dragonite card. I should leave it in here, actually. If you guys know how much this is, because I have no idea. I'm guessing like $2, I'm pretty sure. That's what I'm guessing. So, I'm just going to put it right here. And then I'm going to put the packs over here. This is the lucky wall. Which one should I pick? I'm going to pick the very middle, which is this one. Just say this Dragonite V pack is a pack, okay? Okay, am I covering the screen? Yes, a black code card. Is that a good thing? Yes, that is a good thing. Black code card. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip that energy. Water. No idea what that is. Trainer, okay, just say trainer. Oh, Ivysaur, okay, not bad, not bad. Eevee. Numel. Alolan Rattata. Tranquil. Okay, Tranquil. Bulbasaur to go with the Venusaur. Can we pull a Venusaur? Charmeleon. Charizard, please. Ooh, regular, what is that? Articuno. Okay. That's our rare in that pack. Next pack, this one. I'm gonna re-put the wall real quick. This, trash. Another pack right there. Black hole card again. There's something there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Psychic energy. No, not Psychic, Dark. Okay. Egg Inculate, I don't know. Slorark, Lord, I don't know. Pika, oh, Squirtle. Can we pull a Venusaur? Bulbasaur. Bidoof, Magikarp, the Reverse Hollow Spark. I have a rainbow version. And the last card is... Oh God. Oh my God. Is this a trainer? Wait, is this a trainer? Oh, okay. Oh my God, I'm going crazy. Oh my God. Second pack in and we already got a gold card. How is this? Oh my God. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? We literally pulled, what, how? Okay, well, I guess these are our pulls. Oh my God, our pulls are gonna go, oh my God, I'm going crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going crazy. Okay, this pack, lucky flick. This booster box is actually not bad. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. The V-Star card. Can we pull the V-Star? I'm just gonna take a little pink. We got a pull. Is it a V-Star? Okay, V-Star. No idea. I got the same thing. Articos. Ampom. Sneak. Oh my God. That's that. Oh my gosh. Pika. Spark again. Oh, it's a V. Okay, it's a V. I thought it was going to be a V-Star, but okay. What? Oh, I have the, what is it called? I have the full art of this Pokemon. How? We're getting so many pulls today. How? Literally, we've been getting pulls after pulls after pulls. This Articuno, not the best pull, at least the hollow. This card, I'm just going crazy. Oh my God. And then the Dragonite V, which is the card that's supposed to come with the booster box. Okay. Okay, this pack is already done. Okay. Finish the wall. Okay, I'm gonna pick this pack. I think. Okay. Black code card again? Wait, okay, 4. Dark type. I'm pretty sure we don't get a pull. Slowbro. I'm pretty sure there's a pull. I don't know. Pokestop. Eevee. Charmander. Ampom. Bulbasaur. Pikachu. Reverse Hollow is Wimpod. And our pull is a Pikachu Hollow. Wait, we actually got the originals. Wait, where's the wait, did I pull a Bulbasaur? No, I pulled the Squirtle. Wait, yeah, I got the originals. I got the originals in one pack. Where's that Bulbasaur? Yeah, Squirtle, look. I got the originals in one pack. Charmander, Eevee, Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Squirtle. I got the originals. Okay, I'm gonna replace the wall. Okay. I'm not gonna put the Pikachu in here, the good stack, because it's not really a good Pokemon. I mean, it is the beginner Pokemon, so. This is so good. I can't open it. Okay, there you go. How do I keep on getting black code cards? Oh, wait, you see that? You see that? That's a pull. That's a pull right there. You see that? That's a pull. Egg Incubator. Oh my God. Milton, Big Oof. Magikarp. Okay. What is it? It's a full art VMAX. Is that a full art? Melmetal VMAX! Oh my god. Okay, wow. How? This is the, oh my gosh. How many packs have we opened yet? I don't know. Okay, which pack should I do next? Is that all the packs? Yeah, I only have 4 packs left. Oh no. No, it's not enough. I need more. I need more packs. No. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like put your packs in here like this. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put it like this. I'm pretty sure you can put your packs like this. I'm pretty sure. And then close it up. Oh wait, no, the packs don't fit in here. I think you just have to put it by card. Now, does the cards fit in here? Oh wait, no, these don't even fit actually. Wait, what if I take this out? Because maybe it's stuck. Okay, yeah, I can just put them by cards. Okay. Wait, what happened to the packs? Oh, okay. Daddy, we're down to the last 4 packs. Okay, last 4 packs. The other one. Here's the other one. Okay. Oh, no, wait, no, our cards. No, my cards. They're going everywhere. If we pull a full art out of these last packs, or wait, do they have radiance in this set? I'm not sure. If they do, can you comment down below? Because I haven't seen anybody like. I feel like the new Crown Zenith set is like so overpowered. I feel like there's so many pulls you can get. Okay, I'm going with this pack. Right here. I can't open it. Oh, black code card again. Oh my god, I saw Squirtle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip that energy. Grass. Slowbro again. Oh, sorry, I got a Slowbro. And then I also got grass energy. Sorry if you guys didn't see that. Slowbro. Ah, give me that. Okay, no idea. Moon Guy, okay? Moon Guy. Pokestop. Squirtle. Bidoof. Onix. Finally Onix. One of my favorite Pokemon. No idea. Magikarp. Bulbasaur. And a rare is Gyarados. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Put that in the... Wait, what happened to all my cards that I pulled today? Where did I put them? No, don't say I lost them. No. No! Oh, wait, they're over here. Sorry. Okay, Gyarados goes in there. Dragonite. 3 packs left. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. This pack next. I want to get a pull. Please give me a full art. Or another gold card. If I get another gold card, everybody please like and subscribe. Oh my god. Oh, you know, I'm not supposed to do that. Black code card again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Water, Spark, Ardos, I don't know. Okay, guys, this is like the other half of the video because I had no space on my iPad for storage, so I need to hurry up. Okay, water energy. I'm just redoing the pack again. Water energy, and I did not see the cards. Mewtwo, Ardos, Spark, Emptaton, Blishin. Okay, this is where we left off. Alolan, Rats, I don't know. Just say Rat Boy. Labator. Alolan Rattata. We got the evolution. Alolan Rattata. Magikarp and a Zapdos. Wait, yes. If we can get a Moltres, we got the trio. But I don't want to pull a Moltres. I really want to, but I don't want to. Woo! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip that energy. Fire. Can we get the Charizard? Moon Man, Ivysaur, Wartortle, Squirtle, Biffafoon, Venusaur, and what the heck is that Pokemon? Well, I'm sad right now because last pack and we really haven't been getting the best pulls, okay? It's not the worst, but it's not the best pulls that we've been getting, so. Okay. Please, can we get a lucky pull today? Okay. Sorry guys, my internet. Oh wait, no, not my internet, my battery. I'm pretty sure I got another minute left, then my storage is done. What is wrong with these black code cards? 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle. Steelix. Wartortle. Slowbro. Spincrat, Pikachu, Wimpod, Pivode, Bulbasaur. How do we get a Tyranitar? Oh, is that a Charizard? No! No! If that is the Charizard, no way! No! No way! Okay, I literally jinxed it. What? Oh my god. I know! Cause I'm making this. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay. No way. How? 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 Oh my god. Okay, let's see. The poll for... Here's all the polls that we made today. I feel like the first packs are the best packs. Okay. Tyranitar. Charizard. Venusaur. Galapsopod. Zapdos. Dragonite V. Pikachu. The Gold Leer Marol. Arcanine. Meltan. This boy. And Gyarados. Those were the polls for today. Not the best Pokemon booster box, but not the worst, so I'm not going to complain. At least I had some, actually, lots. Actually, a lot of fun, actually. My first time opening all cards, which is fun, I guess. It should be fun to you guys, too, if you are interested in the Pokemon. And yeah, I guess that pull's actually not bad. Especially, wait, did I pull this out of, I pulled this out of the second pack. How? If I pulled this the last pack, the best pack ever, just making sure I didn't, I'm making sure I didn't skip any packs. Making sure these are all empty. Yeah, these are all empty. Okay. Well, that's the end of our video. See you later, guys.